Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1068 and let me share with you how to change video size on this device, or quality on this device. So first of all, let's enter the menu just by using this middle button or the left button. Go to the right and up to the camera, enter it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, we have to switch to the video one. Let's open the options and press switch to video recording. So press it. Now we can enter options again and go to video settings. So just down and enter. Here we've got the video quality. So let's press it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options. So sharing video, normal, good or high. So of course it's up to you. Just choose the option and select it just by pressing the middle button. And as you can see, the video quality has been changed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.